Welcome back to Ender Trading on YouTube, and today's video is called the Seeking Alpha Summer Sale 2026, where you can get 25% off site-wide. The first offer is premium at $225 per year, which is 25% off the standard price of $299, saving you $74, and this includes a 7-day free trial. The second is Alpha Picks at $375 per year, which is 25% off the standard price of $499, saving you $124. The third is the Premium Plus Alpha Picks bundle at $545 for the first year, which is 24% off the combined price of $718, saving you $173. And the fourth is Seeking Alpha Pro at $1,800 per year, which is a 25% off the standard price of $2,400, saving you $600. The sale runs from June 10th to July the 7th, 2026, and the discounts apply to your first year. And to claim these discounts, I've left the official Seeking Alpha page links in the description. Founded in 2005, Seeking Alpha is an industry-leading financial research platform used by more than 22 million people per month. The premium plan is an entry point for beginners and casual investors with quant rating covering over 4,000 stocks and ETFs, stock screeners, and AI-powered research tools. Alpha Picks is built for long-term buy and hold investors, and you get 2 data-driven stock picks every month, plus day one access to the full portfolio of 30 or more active stocks. One of the most popular plans combines premium and alpha picks together for $545 in your first year, so you get the full research platform and the multi-stock picks in one package. And the Seeking Alpha Pro is our top tier for professionals with ideas from the top 15 analysts, the PRO Quant Portfolio, short ideas, and daily upgrades and downgrades. Get 25% off in the Seeking Alpha summer sale before it ends on July the 7th. I've left the official Seeking Alpha page links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon on the next video.